In other top international stories, China has now launched Tianwen-1, its ambitious mission to planet Mars. The country's first ever Mars exploration will include ambitious space mission and will fundamentally focus on an orbiter, a lander and a rover to collect scientific data from our solar system's fourth planet, Mars. The launch took place from Wenchang Satellite Launch Center on Henan Island in South China, using the country's one of the most powerful rockets, the Long March 5. While the orbiter will study the red planet from space, the lander is tasked with touchdown, keeping the rover safe and ensuring the wheeled vehicle to explore the planet. The mission, which is named after a long-verse Chinese poem, Tianwen, means questions to heaven, and entails a three-staged launch process. The three-part spacecraft has a rover which is 1.85 meters high and weighs 240 kgs. The rover is carrying 6 different kinds of payloads such as terrain, multispectral camera, surface detection radars, magnetic field detectors and measuring instruments. It is also powered by solar energy, and that will help the machine last for about 92 Earth days. With the lander, it is also expected to collect data on the planet's surface composition, geological structure, environment, and also help in local path planning. The spacecraft is expected to reach the gravitational field on Mars by next February.
实际上，这一次我们火星车和月球车，我们对它的动力系统等等各个方面都进行了一些改进。我们要对我们的着陆区，我们还要进行详细的勘察，给我们的火星车给它更多的信息，让它能够走得更稳，走得更好。
China has hugely expanded its space program in the recent years to compete with the US and Russia. Today's launch in Henan marks the second flight to Mars this week. Earlier, United Arab Emirates also launched an orbiter from Japan. China is also facing stiff competition from the United States, which is planning the launch of its fifth rover, Perseverance. Earlier, NASA had sent 4 rovers to study the distant red planet. As per certain reports, the race for Mission Mars has intensified as countries are trying to take advantage of the period of time when Mars and Earth will be closest to each other, approximately at a distance of 55 million kilometers. A few weeks earlier, China had also launched the final Beidou satellite to compete with GPS-like navigation system developed by the United States.